Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Broken Vessels by Hillsong. So as usual, I'm going to play the song for you first, and then afterwards I'm going to break the song down and kind of explain all the pieces to you in more detail. So stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started.
All these pieces broken and scattered, in mercy gathered, mended and whole, empty-handed but not forsaken. I've been set free, I've been set free. Oh, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I am found, was blind, but now I see. Oh, I can see you now. I can see the love in your eyes, laying yourself down, raising up the broken to life. You take our failure, you take our weakness, you set your treasure in jars of clay. So take this heart, Lord, I'll be your vessel, the world to see your life in me. Oh, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I am found, was blind, but now I see. Oh, I can see you now. I can see the love in your eyes, laying yourself down, raising up the broken to life.
Alright, this song is using 4 chords from the G chord family. We have the G chord, the C add 9 chord, E minor 7, and D over F sharp. What's nice about these 4 chords is that they have very similar shapes to each other, and your 3rd and 4th finger are not moving. That's actually both a pro and a con. The problem with that is that your pinky and your ring finger might get kind of tired from staying on there the whole time. However, the good thing is that you only have to move 2 fingers around for the whole song, which makes transitioning a lot easier. For the strum pattern, we're using the driving pattern, which is a nice, easy 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums with an up strum added after beat 4, and then that pattern repeats. We're also going to be adding emphasis on beats 1 and 3. So every other beat we want to strum harder, and for 2 and 4 we're going to strum softer. Okay. So I'll go ahead and hold the G chord, and I'm going to play through that strum pattern just so you can hear what it would sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. Also, don't forget for your C add 9 chord that you don't want to strum that low E string. All the other 3 chords, you can strum all 6 strings, but the C add 9, the low E string is not part of it, so you want to make sure you start your strumming on the A string for that chord. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.